Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. So student, today we are going to learn one and more than one. Okay. This is English topic. I am repeat again. Today's topic is one and more than one. Okay. So a noun can be one and more than one place, person, okay, animals and things. Okay. When we talk of one, so called is singular. Okay, understand? When we talk of one, so called is singular, and when we talk of more than and called is plural. Okay, when we talk of one, called is singular, means book, marker, duster, okay, and books. So one, so card is singular, understand? And look at the board: book, pen, ball, car, bird, bottle, flower, cat and tree. So when we talk of one, so card is singular, okay? And next is, look there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is not one, more than. What is this? More than things, है ना? More than things, animals, person. So called is plurals. Example: more than books, pens, balls, cars, birds, bottles, flowers, cats and trees. Understand? And listen. This is when we call a one, so called is singular, and when we talk of more than and called is plural, and their words adding s. Okay, in ending words adding s. Understand? There is one pictures, each words book, pen, ball. So card is singular, marker, light, table, duster, ink bottle. This is when we one, okay? When we talk of one, so this is singular, okay? And when we talk of more, look, this is book, but not one. There have two, means more. When we talk of more, okay? So card is plural. Understand this? Yes. So there is one things and card is singular, and there are many, more than one, and card is plural. And then after, in words adding s. Then after words adding s. Okay. So let's start. Look at the board. First is book. Book is singular, and we are right there 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are many books, okay? More than there one, okay? We talk of one, so there is card is singular, and we talk of more than and card is plural. So there right books, and speak now adding s. Adding s, okay? And these are books. These are books, means more than one, okay? And next is pen. When we talk of one, card is singular, and when we talk of more than, so plural. And then pens, and adding s. Look at, got it? Adding s in words after in last and adding s. So when we talk of more than pens, many pens na, 1, 2, 3 na, many pens and more than ones, okay? So adding s, and these are pens, not pen, pens, okay? In last adding s. And next is, we talk one, so card is singular, ball. Card is singular, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and more than one. Okay? More than one. Understand? There is one ball, card is singular, and there have more than balls, and we can write there balls, adding s, है ना? Balls. Yes. Speak now. Books, pens and balls. Yes, these are more than one. These are more than one. Okay, and next is when we talk one, card is singular, so this is singular card. But there is more. Okay, and write there cars. What is this? Cars. Okay. There is singular car and there is plural cars, means more than one. Okay. Next is bird. When we talk one, bird. Okay. And when we talk more, birds. Okay. When we talk more, stars. When we talk more, trees. When we talk more, bottles. When we talk more, flowers. When we talk more, cat. When we talk more, trees. Okay. So these are plural. We called these are plural. Okay. Singular and plural. Okay. And change is plural. So first is, now next, bird. There is one picture, bird. When we talk of one and card is singular, bird, and there more than one. Okay, so write there birds, and in last adding s, birds. And next is bottle. Okay, bottle. When we talk one and bottles means singular, and when we talk more things, so card is plural, bottles. And in last adding s, bottles. And this flower, this is flower. When we talk one, flower, and there more than one flower. Okay, so flowers. Yes, what is there missing? Yes, read this word, flower and their flower, and what is there missing? Adding s, flowers. This is correct word is flowers, means plural. Okay, there have more than flowers and many flowers. Okay, flowers. And next is when we talk one, cat. Card is singular. When we talk one cat, card is singular, cat. And they are more than one. Then cats. Cats. Okay. And next is trees. Tree. Okay. Tree. So when we talk one, card is singular and there is one tree. Look at there. Yes, all pictures have two identity trees, and there is many trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more than trees. Okay. And there write trees. In last adding s. Got it? Yes, I am repeat again. A noun can be one and more than one person, animal, place and things. Okay. And card is, when we talk one, card is singular. When we talk plural, card is, when we talk more than, card is plural. Okay. When we talk one, card is singular. So look at there, there has one things, one books, one pen, one ball, one car, one bird, one bottle, one flower and one cat and one tree. So when we talk one card is singular, at least these are singulars, and when we talk more than ones, there is look one books and there are more than one books, and adding s means card is plural. Okay, when we talk more than one and card is plural. So singular is when we talk one, card is singular, and when we talk more than one, card is plural. So books, pens, balls, cars, birds, bottles, flowers, cats, trees. Okay, and next is you have to understand use of one and many. Okay, same pattern is use of one and many. This is one and many. One is card is singular and many is card is plural. Okay, understand? Yes students, I think understand easily. According to pictures, there is one pictures and there is many pictures, and these are card singular and these card plural. Okay, so when we talk one, card is singular, and when we talk more than one, card is plural. And some words has like this fish, sheep, deer, na? So don't change in singular and plural. Same are, sheep is singular, sheep is plural, fish is singular and fish is plural. Look at there. Singular and plural, sheep and sheep. Okay, fish and fish. No any change. Yes, have you changed any words? No. So singular is sheep and card is plural also sheep, and fish is singular fish and plural also fish, and deer singular and deer plural. No any change. Na? Yes, have any changes? No. So some words have this type. Okay, and this is understand this singular and plural. When we talk one, card is singular. When we talk more than one, card is plural. One time repeat again. Book, books, pen, pens, ball, balls, car, cars, bird, birds, bottle, bottles, flower, flowers, cat, cats, tree, trees. So hope you understand this topic students. Today is your work. Read and write in notebook singular and plural, and understand this topic, and read and draw pictures with parents help. Okay, and understand this what I am saying. Okay, so hope you clear this topic singular and plural. In previous class you are understand this use of one and many, and there is singular and plural same है ना. And in adding words, adding s. Yes, understand this s, adding s. So adding s is plural things, more than one. Okay, and there is singular things, one things. Okay, so understand this only कि when we talk of one, so card is singular, and when we talk of more than one, so card is plural. Okay, thank you students.